If you want to block a friend on Snapchat using your Android device, here is how to do it quickly and easily. Open the Snapchat app and swipe right to go to the chat screen where all your conversations are listed. Find the person you want to block and press and hold their name until a menu pops up. From the options that appear, tap on Manage Friendship. Next, tap on Block. Snapchat will ask for confirmation. Just tap Block again or Continue or Confirm, whatever it comes up. Once blocked, that person will not be able to send you snaps, view your stories, or chat with you anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them later. So that's how you can block someone on Snapchat with just a few taps.